You've definitely seen these insanely satisfying home renovation time-lapse videos, old broken floors turning into luxury modern rooms. And the crazy part? They're getting millions of views. Today I'll show you step-by-step how to create these viral home restoration videos using AI completely free. Let's start. First, open Chat GPT and go to Explore GPTs. Search for floor transformations. Start the chat. Click Start, and it will generate 10 different interior renovation ideas, like kitchen, bedroom, living room, and more. For this example, we'll choose living room. So I'll simply type 2. Now it gives us 4 image prompts, 3 image to video prompts. These are everything we need. Now head over to Flow AI. Click Create Image. Select the model Nano Banana Pro, choose your aspect ratio and number of outputs. Copy the first image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Hit Generate. And look, our first renovation stage is ready. Choose the best image, add this to prompt, and save it. Now copy the second image prompt and generate again. Using the same process, create all 4 images showing different stages of the floor transformation. Now it's time to turn these into a time-lapse video. Go to Frames to Video in Flow AI. Upload Image 1 as Frame 1, Image 2 as Frame 2. Copy the first video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Click Generate. And just like that, our first transformation clip is ready. Save it. Now repeat the same steps. Image 2 to Image 3. Image 3 to Image 4. Generate all clips and download them. Now open your editing software. Import all the clips. Arrange them in order to create a smooth flooring transformation. Slightly zoom in each clip to remove any logos. Add light cinematic background music if you want. And here is the final result. That's how you create viral home restoration time-lapse videos using AI. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to Reavron for more AI tutorials.